In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Chrome data to Microsoft Edge. By the end, your bookmarks, history, saved passwords, and other browsing info from Chrome will be available in Edge, so you can switch without losing a beat. Make sure Microsoft Edge is open on your computer and that Google Chrome is installed with the profile that has the data you want. If your Chrome data is tied to a specific profile, it helps to have that profile active in Chrome before you begin. Now, in Edge, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the menu. This is where all of Edge's main tools and settings live. From that menu, click on Settings. The Settings page organizes everything into sections, and the option we need is under Profiles. Here, click on Import Browser Data. This opens the Import panel, which lets you choose what to bring over and from where. In the Import from drop-down, select Google Chrome. If you use more than one Chrome profile, pick the correct one from the profile list so you pull the right bookmarks and passwords. You can also choose a time range. All time is best if you want a complete move. Then review the data types shown. Typically, you'll see favorites or bookmarks, browsing history, saved passwords, and things like addresses and payment info. Check only what you want to import. If you're already using Edge and have some bookmarks, Edge will merge them and duplicates are usually minimized. When you're ready, click Import to start. If your passwords are included, your operating system may ask for your computer login to confirm access. That's normal and helps keep your credentials secure. A brief progress indicator appears, and in many cases you'll see a second prompt or button to confirm. Click Import again to finalize. The process usually takes just a few moments depending on how much data you have. Once it's done, you'll get a confirmation. You can find your imported favorites in the favorites menu or on the favorites bar if you have it turned on. Your browsing history shows up in the history panel, and saved passwords appear in Edge's passwords section under profiles. If anything looks missing, repeat the import and double check that you selected the right Chrome profile and time range. For a smoother experience across devices, consider turning on sync in Edge so your imported data is backed up to your account. And that's it. Your Chrome data is now in Microsoft Edge ready to use.